Y'all know what time it is. Come with me to take some fire ass photos. And when I say fire, that is not an understatement because it was 82 degrees in Cali. And y'all don't even want to know the highlight of my outfit. Yes, it was this hot ass jacket. Yes. Then I had to throw my hoops on and touch my makeup a bit and seduce the camera for the one time. All right, let me stop playing. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my purse and throw these sunnies on. Check the perimeter and go shoot. Not the red ant making an appearance to match me. Anyways, I set up my tripod to where I want to get the photos at. I usually have the tripod set at my waist, and of course, it depends on the height of the heels I have on, but I usually just eyeball it and move the tripod if I need to. Then I usually use a Bluetooth remote to take the photos, which I just kind of strategically hide when I capture them, whether that's in my hand, that's holding a purse, in my hand in my pocket, or on the side of me that's facing the wall away from the camera. Make sure to check them every few photos just to make sure you're getting the looks and angles you want. You know, nothing's worse than actually getting the photos or seeing the photos and not getting what you want. Woo, that sun was sunny and I knew I should have came later, and this was 4 p.m. I also like to get some closer shots for versatility and angles, so I just adjusted my tripod attachment to face up, and here's me getting that fire at a heavily angle until my phone said she needed to take a break. Luckily, I needed one too, and I had already gotten all the content I wanted. So my phone and I went to go cool off in the car, remove the shoes, and hydrate. Stay tuned for part 2.